Reminders to send. Here, you can select how many reminder emails you want sent out from your operations management dashboard. You can pick anywhere from 0 to 3. The system numbers the emails, which is helpful for compliance tracking, so you know when it's a final reminder and maybe your last warning to take action. Contacts. Here, the RenewAlert account holder's email will automatically populate. For operations management across teams, you can add additional team members to specific reminders. To do this, simply click Add Contact, and an additional email field will appear. Enter the email address in this field. You can add up to 5 additional email addresses for each reminder. The system will send reminder emails to each email listed in the reminder, including non-RenewAlert subscribers. This is a great way to automate reminders to people and loop them in on specific tasks or contracts to optimize collaboration. Also, if you have multiple email reminders set, it's a great way to automate your follow-up reminders to ensure things do not fall through the cracks.